I don't mean to throw a fit, but I am in no mood to push snow today. So let's go push snow today. Come on. Well, let's get after it. On the big hill. Let's see if we can get this driveway cleaned out. This is the part that we can't use the tractor for because candidly, the tractor won't make it back up the hill. It's too light, it doesn't have the right maybe chains on the tires, I'm not sure, but this is why we have to use the four-wheeler. So let's do this part. So I don't know how this is going to work with a big old DSLR camera. Whoops, with one hand, but we're going to try. Snow going down the hill. Oh my goodness. Does it make sense when we say if you live in Woodward Acres, you have to have a four-wheel drive vehicle? Move into this, you have to have four-wheel drive vehicle. So that's basically what moving snow at Woodward Acres is like. So I want to know, did that look like fun to you? Because that'd be really fun to, it'd be fun for me to know if my work looks like fun. I have a side-by-side, but I think I wouldn't have enough room to turn it around. And again, my tractor needs something more to be able to push snow. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.